Hello everyone, welcome back to our maths class. In the last class we have discussed factorization of quadratic polynomial by factor theorem, isn't it? Okay, today we are going to discuss factorization of quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial using factor theorem. Okay, so it's very important portion. So all of you please listen here. Let's start. Okay dear students, this is our question. Okay. Factorize y square plus 2y minus 3. Factorize y square plus 2y minus 3. This is a quadratic polynomial. So here constant term is minus 3, right? 3. So let's write the factors of 3 first. Okay. Factors of 3 are plus or minus 1 plus or minus 3. Okay. 1 and 3 are the only factors of 3. Okay, then let's check P of 1, P of minus 1, P of 3, P of minus 3. Okay, we will get two factors for a quadratic polynomial. Okay, so let's check P of first plus 1. P of 1. Y square. So 1 square plus 2 into 1 minus 3. That's equal to 1 plus 2 minus 3. That is 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Clear? So, P of 1 is equal to 0. Here P of 1 is equal to 0. Which implies what? Yes. X minus, if P of 1 is equal to 0, X minus 1 is a factor. Is a factor of y square plus 2y minus 3. Clear? Okay, let's check. This is first case. Then let's check P of, next P of minus 1. P of minus 1. Okay, minus y square minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1 minus 3, which is equal to minus 1 square 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. This is 1 minus 5 or minus 4, which is not equal to 0. So, x plus 1 is not a factor. Okay. Then next check P of 3. P of 3 plus 3. Clear? So, y square. 3 square plus 2 into 3 minus 3, which is equal to 9 plus 6 minus 3. So, here 9 plus 3, 15. 15 minus 3 is 12. That is also not equal to 0. Clear? Next is, we have to check minus 3. One more factor is there, that is minus 3. Okay. Y square minus 3 square plus 2 into minus 3 minus 3 is equal to minus 3 square 9 minus 6 minus 3, that is 9 minus 6 minus 3 minus 9, which is equal to 0. Here also we got 0. That means what? Yes, here P of minus 3 is equal to 0, which implies what? Yes, x plus 3. X plus 3 is a factor of what? This polynomial y square plus 2y minus 3. So we got, see, x minus 1 is a factor and x plus 2 also a factor. So y square plus 2y minus 3 is equal to what? We got two factors. For a quadratic polynomial, we can write maximum two factors. So we got, which are the factors? P of 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 is a factor. So x minus 1 into, then another factor is P of minus 3 is equal to 0. So x plus 3 also a factor. Okay, so we factorized this quadratic polynomial y square plus 2y minus 3 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Clear? So this is the method how to factorize a quadratic polynomial using which theorem? Factor theorem. Okay. So is it clear? Okay, let's discuss factorization of a cubic polynomial. Okay. Okay, dear students, this is our another question. That means factorization of cubic polynomial using factor theorem. Okay. Factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 using factor theorem. Okay. In the last question also you just add using factor theorem. Okay. In the question you just add using factor theorem. Okay. Clear? So our polynomial is p of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Cubic polynomial. Why? Degree is 3. Okay, here 4 terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Okay, so here the constant term is 2. Okay, so let's check. First we have to write the factors of 2. Okay, factors of 2 is equal to, which are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. Okay, so we can write plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2. Okay, so let's check one by one. That is p of 1, p of minus 1, p of 2, p of minus 2. Clear? So first p of 1. P of 1 is equal to x cube. That is 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus minus 1. Okay, instead of x, write 1. 1 plus 2. That is equal to 1 cube 1. 1 square 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Okay. So here positive terms 1 plus 2. That is 3 minus terms, negative terms minus 2 minus 1. That is minus 3. That's equal to 0. So how we can write this? Yes, here p of 1 is equal to 0, which implies what? X minus 1 is a factor. Is a factor of what? Yes, this polynomial, factor of p of x or x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Clear? The next step we have to check p of, this is first one, this is second one, p of minus 1. Let's check. Okay. X cube, yes, minus 1 cube minus 2 into minus 1 square minus of minus 1. X is minus 1. Already one minus sign is there. So like this is equal to 2 minus 1 square 1. 1 into 2 2. Sorry, 1 cube. Okay, 1 cube. Sorry. Okay, this here. Okay, by mistakenly I started here from here, but minus 1 cube is minus 1 then minus 1 square 1 into minus 2 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus 2, which is equal to minus terms minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3 plus terms 3, that is 0. Yes, here also we got 0. That means p of minus 1 here p of minus 1 is equal to 0. Then what should we write? Yes, x plus 1 also. X plus 1 is a factor of what? Yes, this polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So then next step what? We need to check more terms. That means p of 2 and p of minus 2, or we stopped here. What should we do? See, we here even though we got two factors, we we could not stop here because what? This is not a quadratic polynomial but cubic polynomial. Clear? For a quadratic polynomial, two factors. Okay, two linear factors we will get. But here it is a which kind of polynomial? Cubic polynomial. So we should get maximum three factors. So we should check more terms. Clear? We cannot stop here because it is a it is a cubic polynomial. Okay. Okay. So let's check P of 2. P of 2. X cube 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square minus 2 plus 2. Clear? Which is equal to 2 cube is 8 minus 2 square 4 into 2 8 minus 2 plus 2. 8 minus 8 0 minus 2 plus 2 0. Yes, we got here we got P of 2 also equal to 0. Okay, that means what? That means what? X minus 2 is a factor. Is a factor of what? Factor of this polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So we got three factors. So let's stop here. Why? This is a cubic polynomial. So we need only three factors. Okay. So let's conclude. That means, so we can write x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is equal to what? Which are the factors? Yes, P of 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 is a factor. Then P of minus 1 is a factor. So x plus 1 is a factor. Then next P of 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 is also a factor. So we factorized this cubic polynomial as cubic polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 2. Clear? I hope you all have understood these two problems. Okay, so it's time to wind up today's class. So you can write these two problems in your notebook. After that, you have to write your homework. Okay, thank you.